Hey everyone, I need to replace this boring lights here that I have, just amber yellow lights with some LED lights. So this is a 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. So 2014 through 2019 I think it is, or 21. The Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk, or just plain, it's gonna have this type of console. It's just a nice trim flush to the ceiling. Got it a little bit dirty. So how to remove this? You can't get the light bulbs from here, so you have to remove this panel down. Very simple, very easy. The connecting points are here. Do not pull from here because you'll break the little legs that go out this way inside of it. So you have to go back here. Just follow the panel. Nice tool. Push on it. Bring it down. There you go. I got that open right there. Let's go over here. There it is. He just wants to fall. So you see this hooks? That's why you don't want to pull down, because you'll break those off, and once you break them off, you're gotta replace. Right here, there's the cable. You just push that clip and pull it out. Now you gotta remove these light bulbs right here. So if you have it hanging, yeah, you can do that, but might as well just disconnect it and bring it down to your level. And you just have to pull them out. They got little bars right there, just about the same height. We'll find out in a minute. As long as it fits in square, which it does, you just push them in. Actually, you know what, before I do anything, I'm just going to temporarily plug it. Open my door. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, let me flip it over. There it is. Not there. Thing out. And this one here. Yep, that's the right polarity. Snap them in there. There you go. Put this end first, right there, and then bam. Thank you very much, ma'am.